Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 215 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The government should be able to see that its resolutions in the matter of recommendations of wage boards, particularly in the case of textile industry, are implemented by the industry of the country as a whole. Sir, there are certain industries whose workers are making a significant contribution in the matter of our economic growth. To mention only two, the rising engineering industry and the public utility industries like the electricity supply industry are the very cornerstones of our industrial progress. It is a matter of very great disappointment that the government has not yet appointed wage boards for these industries. Sir, it is well recognized that the employees in the public utility industries like electricity supply and water supply are denied certain rights, as the right to strike and the right of direct action, which employees in other industries readily enjoy, and it is only fair that the employees in the case of public utility industries like electricity supply should be among the first to be given the advantage of tripartite bodies like wage boards, and their conditions of work, their wages, their standard of living should be increased as a matter of course, as a matter of administration of social justice. It is a great disappointment to the workers in the electricity supply and engineering industries of the country that wage boards for these industries have not so far been appointed. Sir, the President's address mentions the implementation of employees' state insurance scheme. That scheme is a benefit for which the workers of the country are highly thankful. The scheme of employees' state insurance guards the health of the workers and ensures that during the period of their sickness they not only get medical leave but also half of their wages. That is a great relief to the workers, and we are thankful that the scheme has been extended from one area to the other. It is, however, a matter of some disappointment that, in spite of the fact that the Act was enacted in 1948, the scheme does not cover as many factory workers of the country as it should. The fact that this scheme has been found useful by labor and industry in the country, and the fact that both workers and industry contribute to the running of this scheme makes it all the more necessary that the implementation of this scheme should be accelerated and all the 86 lakhs of factory workers should be brought under the scheme.